We are going to create some rainbow marble, so I'm picking up some gel polishes in different colors. Yellow, pink, of course some orange here, turquoise, that's a lot of colors, blue, purple. For each color you want to add a drop of the white gel polish, and then we are going to apply it into our nail. Use the ombre brush to pick up your colors. I'm starting with the reds and purples. Slide it in on the top, then grab some oranges here. Go into the yellows. Clean your brush and pick up another color. Turquoise and yellow here. Add some turquoise and blue. And this way we have created a rainbow ombre. Let's cure it. Apply High Shine No Wipe Top Gel. Make sure it is really nice and smooth. And cure it for 60 seconds. I've got some Aurora Chrome in here, and that always looks fantastic. Let's apply it over the marble we have created. Look how pretty it is. Keep rubbing it in until you're really satisfied. Once you're happy with it, we can move on into our next step. So we want to grab our transfer foil gel and add some gold detail. Pick up a small scoop of it on your mixing palette and the liner brush. Get your brush into the nice and fine point and then outline it in a very irregular way. Nice and wiggly. Once you're happy with the outline, give it a 15 seconds cure and prepare your gold transfer foil. I love this color the most. It's called pale gold. Absolutely fantastic for any nail art. Cut a small piece of it. And now you can transfer it into your design. Press it in and then pull it out. Look how pretty the nail becomes. And that's not even finished design yet. Once you're happy with it, we are gonna apply the top coat to protect our design. Give it a cure to it. Here is another trick what we are gonna do with this design. White French gel is a product which can be used without of top coat, so it's perfect for those 3D nail art and also really beautiful for like sugaring. I have mixed my orange with it, then clean my brush and mix my pink because that's what I want to sugar on my design. Mix it with the pink and then let's sugar it. So grab my tip, pick up the mixture and apply it on those empty space here. Color it in. I use watercolor brush because it's much bigger brush. Clean it and then do the pink on the other side. If you would be really wanting to make it even more interesting, you could do the sugaring in the ombre color as well. That will look fantastic. Color it in the pink. Don't touch the gold. You wanted it to be visible. And then we are gonna grab the sugar glitter and sugar it. Sugar is not gonna stick into our top coat and not gonna cover our marble design. It will only stick into the paint of orange and pink. We have to cure it 60 seconds and then I can show you final results. So it's a time to show the design. I'm just using the dust brush to remove it and look how pretty and amazing it is. Absolutely fantastic. way to decorate the nails. Look at those sparkles. You can also check our website for fantastic nail products we have used in this tutorial.